sure it's not leaking. Is it upside down?
That's fine. It leaks out from here.
Now, I wonder if I'm gonna get sparked from this side.
Just don't look, just record.
You gotta go deeper than that.
You think so?
Yeah. More to the middle. Actually, yeah, you're like perfect. You may, when you're editing this, you might want to turn down the volume a little bit because that's gonna rape people's ears.
Yeah, we'll see. See how it sounds. I'll just put headphone warning. Headphone user warning. Splash
more.
You think more than that?
Yeah, way more than that. You gotta go like fucking.
It was only
down.
off by like.
No, you gotta go down more like.
Watch out.
Like,
I think that should be good, maybe.
I don't think so.
I don't want to grind too much, man. Fuck.
Harley, go. Your diff goes like this. We can go little by little.
I'm gonna try that, I guess. Fuck this. It's not much.
Why don't you run? Always itching to have a little fun. Get my letter,
You're not looking at the freaking.
What?
You're not looking at it while I do it, eh?
The spars? I don't know. Me, I'm looking through the camera. Nah, you gotta go more.
Yeah, it's not letting up.
It's still hitched on that thing.
Oh, man.
No, you're getting there though. It's definitely better. Notching out that piece right there. So then his new diff fits perfect. Yeah, it's still lifted up a little bit.
I'm just gonna go a little bit more, eh?
You can't put it more forward? No way.
No, because then the bolts don't line up.
Right, then your drive shaft's gonna be too small too.
At least next time I won't have to do this. If I do break this one, I got 1 year warranty.
Isn't that the second one?
Third front diff. But this is the first time I use this kind of diff.
Yeah.
Bunch of eyeballs there, buddy. I need a cutting wheel.
I don't don't think so.
I wonder if I just get rid of that piece in the diff, what would happen? I don't really want to cut it, that's the thing.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that, no. I don't know if it's solid steel or not. There might be a hollow piece. Might fit now.
I guess.
Just keep trying until it fits, that's all. That's all you can do, really.
Trial and error.
Just don't cut too deep, then you're...
I won't cut too deep. I can't see with these glasses.
Safety first. No.
That's all I'm done.
Still needs to come down. Oh, you're getting very close. You have to come towards me more, though. Your bolts are off. Yeah, you have to come a little bit more down. Or you can try, like you said, notching out that piece on the diff. But I don't know if that's hollow on the other side.
I'm just gonna grind it a bit more. It only has to go a bit more right there.
Because you could honestly try grinding that. I don't know if that's...
I don't want to.
Yeah, no, yeah.
No.
I don't know if it's solid, though.
I just gotta go a bit more like right there where I grind it down. And it should go. Think I gotta go more like grind this way more too?
I think right in the middle. Right in the middle more.
I'm trying. Should go now, I think. Maybe more at the top.
How was the old diff?
Smaller.
It's small.
Fits in there, mint.
And there's no back piece to it?
What?
That slanted piece there. There's none of that on it.
Well, it's just smaller. I can go get it. It's just smaller. Like this whole back piece where the spline is, it's like
smaller cuff.
where the top of the thing is right here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll try that.
Well, that one's made for what?
Oh, these are 900?
These are 900. So it's not a stock diff.
No.
Then you're gonna have to get bigger axles too.
No.
No?
I have one demon axle in the front. It should. One guy on YouTube was saying I should run
Cutting wheel might honestly do better because you gotta cut like that whole chunk out, I think. Cause that's angled still.
Yeah, fuck's sake, man.
And it's touching your fucking your tie rod too.
Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, cutting wheel might work better on that. Cause you're gonna have to cut this whole piece out. If not,
Don't
you
touch
can.
that, it's hot.
If not, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit because it's lined up here.
If not, you can fucking. You can cut that right there on your diff. I don't know if that's solid though.
Yeah, I don't really want to cut the diff.
No.
I just gotta cut a little piece out of there. It's not bad. Just okay, you can stop recording now. Alrighty, boys. So diff's in, everything's together now. This is back together. I need to fix that, and then we'll go for a little rip, get some gas, see how she's working.